going on, everybody? At 84 here with Explorers. Today we're going to check out, we're in Boston, we're actually in Cambridge right now. We're going to check out the new and the old Lechmere train station on the Green Line in the Lechmere area of Cambridge. So the new train station opens next month, I think, the month after next. And the old one still stands, but we're going to go and check it out real quick and see what the old one looks like compared to the new one, where it's located, etc. Located in the corner of 1st and Cambridge Street is the old and original Lechmere Station that's been here since, I think, the 1920s, to be honest with you. And that is now being replaced and moved across the street to the other side of the highway, where they had altered the track and they're extending the line into other parts of Cambridge and Somerville. So in order to do that, they had to move the train tracks to kind of line up with the existing commuter rail and cargo train lines that were already there. So that's basically what they did. So in order to do that, they needed a new station anyways. This was an old turnaround station, so the train would come in, spin around, go back into town, which no longer needed anymore. And they needed a new station too. This one's pretty rough shape, as you can see. The video I showed you is pretty much what it looked like when it was functional. So we're gonna go underneath the tunnel. They used to have this pedestrian tunnel to the other side of the train station, see where we get over there. That's where the buses used to drop off, and then check out the new station. So here we go. So here we are inside the train station right now, just hanging out waiting. The expansion of this train is actually going to go one line towards Union Square, and the other one's going to be towards Medford and where TWE University is. So we're currently right here, and the train station actually got moved to a boat right there across the street, and it'll be following the line of the Fitchburg commuter rail line towards Tufts. And then there'll be a branch going off towards Union Square. Alright, so we are across the street where the new station is. Behind me, where that concrete slab block is, right where my finger's pointing, was the ramp going into the old Lechmere Station. And that is actually where the train went up and over the highway to connect to these tracks right here. All this is brand new, obviously, because they had to extend the line going this way instead of that way. And that has just been left as a giant piece of concrete, which is probably going to be taken down at some point. But we're across the street at the new station right now. As of this taping, it's January of 2022, and it should be open They're saying in March, at least this station and possibly one of the other stations on the new either of the lines. But let's take a look. Right now, this was actually an old parking lot, which I used to park at all the time because it was cheaper. It was like $7. And when I worked at the mall, you could park all day or it'd go away. I had to leave here. So it's basically what we're dealing with right now. So let's go check it out and see how it's changed. So this road I'm walking on right here, East Street, used to be the road to take it in to get to the parking lot that I used to park at. And we're about to get to the end of the road, and that was where I took a left to enter the parking lot. Everything behind me right here is brand new. They're actually developing some kind of area over here with restaurants, like shops and stuff, to make this area a little more lively, because back in the day there was really nothing here. In fact, all these buildings behind me, when I used to park here 7-8 years ago, none of this was here. This is all brand new. This was all train yard, and it was just like unused space. It's finally something else is going on here, which is actually nice. So let's go see if I can peek into the old park garage. I'll get some more pictures of the new station. We can't go up the new station yet, obviously it's not open, but I just want to give you an update on what the status is so far and check out the old station before they actually rip it down. Well, so that concludes old Lechmere and new Lechmere. Obviously, new Lechmere is not open yet. Opens in 2 months, and when it does, I'm going to take a ride on the Green Line and we'll check it out. In fact, there's some other stations as well. I think it'd be pretty cool to check out some of the old, some new stations on the train as time goes on. But the old Lechmere station will not be there very much longer. Unfortunately, they will be knocking that down and probably putting some shops or something over there. Who knows? All the area where the new station is has been kind of under construction for a while. Nothing was really going over there because they always had plans for this extension, just pretty much took forever. So we're finally at the point now where they're doing the construction. Obviously, COVID delayed some stuff, but it'll be done. At least the beginning portion of it will be done in a couple months, and it'll probably be a good year until it's completely done. So we shall see as time goes on. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and leave any comments or questions below, and we'll go from there. See you guys later. Bye.